Hello everybody, Rockstars included. Tonight we have a special unboxing and dry drinker diary for you. Tonight's victim of choice, the 1664 Blanc, all the way from Mr. Murphy.
The Great White North.
That's right.
Canada.
This is a smooth and approachable beer. I got to have this when we were in Canada. It's very citrus forward. And what I like about this is there's no hop. Oh, gotta pour this in a glass for you and let you see it. Watch this, guys. This is your all-time #1 wheat citrus beer. I could drink these like Coca-Cola. Let's Mr. Murphy have a taste test, and he'll tell you his version.
Have you ever poured a beer in your life?
All the time. I do it wrong all the time just to please you.
Like I said, that is a real tasty beer. It tastes like orange juice and beer combined.
That's a really good beer. So if, excuse me, take the camera. So if anybody knows where to find the beer, please let us know. And now, we're going to unbox for you. Norma from Texas has sent another mysterious present. This is box number 3 that she sent. Oh my. Okay. I have a towel. I have another towel. I have another mug. This will come in really good handy when we're in the hot tub, babe. Okay.
Are you running out of room over there?
I think so. Some bags. I'm going to turn this over to Mr. Murphy in a minute. We have more wrapped presents. Another dish rag. Teach with your strength. Ooh. Norma must know that I like to read. Help great teachers inspire their students. Yeah. And then, we have subliminal messages from Norma.
Cards.
And Mr. Murphy's going to have to open up the rest. So let's turn the camera around. And Mr. Murphy is... Oops, sorry, I got my hand in the way. Mr. Murphy's going to open up the rest. What is that? Is that like diapers or something?
It's the Grinch. The Grinch who stole Christmas.
The Grinch who stole Christmas. Okay.
This is a mason jar.
Oh, we know what Norma sends in those mason jars. As you can see in the background over there. See those 2 mason jars? That's exactly what this is. And if you know what's in those jars in the back, comment down below and let us know. Oh, you know she's good at growing these, my friend. She's very good at what she does when it comes to these. Her and Charlie really put a lot of time into this. Ghost peppers, isn't it?
You can see what it is when I open the package.
Oh, look at that. Woo!
Yes, they are ghost peppers.
Glenn Jr., one of these is coming your way. Either that one or the ones that have been fermenting back there. Notice the almighty Red Bull on the man, ladies and gentlemen.
Small, medium, and large.
All right, what else did Norma send us?
See.
You know, for those of you who don't know Norma, I met her in the Polo Nation group, 5 years ago? And we've been friends ever since. And every now and then, her and Michelle from Florida and I, we just exchange presents. Michelle happened to get a Japanese cheesecake that she absolutely loved. So we're going to have to find something more unique for Norma. She was threatening me today with Peeps and Rice Krispies. Everybody knows I hate Peeps. I shouldn't say the word hate. I do not like Peeps. Oh boy. What's in there?
Ooh, it's a padded envelope.
Oh!
Bangkok House of Saying peanut sauce.
Stop it.
How about that?
Norma, how'd you know he liked peanut sauce?
I love that stuff.
Yeah, I know you do. That's another thing that I despise. Not a big fan of.
Despise? Hate?
No,
Oh, hate.
No, we don't use the word hate.
Hey.
We just say despise.
Hate.
Oh my God, there's still more in the box. Norma, my goodness. You spoiled us dirty. He's opening the package, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, we should be editing this video, but you gotta see our real raw reactions from this stuff. Oh, I know what this is. I'm not telling you. What do you think is in the box? Tell us in the comments down below, because I already know what it is. It's like Christmas in February with Norma. What am I going to put in that big cup, Murph? Oh, my God. Is that a Yeti? This might be. Chopsticks.
What?
No way.
Those are chopsticks.
Those are chopsticks, buddy. Norma, you really sent these. I thought you were just joking.
I don't know how to open the box.
All right, well. Does it slide out? Push?
I don't want to break it. Oh, here you go.
She actually sent them. I don't believe it.
There's a CD.
Yep.
There is instructions. Chinese sacred article of experiencing tribulations. A simple explanation of reproductive work of art. All right. So this is not chopsticks at all.
Oh, I thought it was. No, it's a Chinese scroll. My bad. Look at that. Woo!
How about it?
Norma. My God.
That is pretty.
And here I thought you were sending chopsticks. I was wrong.
That is pretty.
Yeah.
Anything on the back?
No.
No? All right.
Where are you going to hang that?
I don't know.
Honey, that's really nice. I think Norma's hinting to us that she wants us to go to Chongqing in September.
Uh-huh.
What do you think?
I'm all for it.
Of course you are. Norma, that is really nice. Wow. There's still more in the box.
Sorry, I gotta put it really nice.
Well, yeah. As Numby's in the background like, where's my present, Norma? And you got Sonny here, too. Where's my present, Norma?
And a little CD.
Yeah. CD players are obsolete, dude.
Tell me about it,
Stud.
stud. There you go.
What else is in the box? There's more in the box.
Wang twang.
Twang, twang.
Wang twang.
Wang, twang.
Look at this.
What's
it
it?
says...
What does it say?
It says Aussie Osborne magazine.
Stop!
It does.
What the? You never know what you're going to get in a box from Norma. I can't wait to read that book. We're going to have to read the subliminal messages in private because they're... Oh my God.
Aussie
How old is that? What year?
It is 2025.
Wow.
Sweet, huh?
Yeah. Way to go, Norma.
Celebrate Aussie.
There's still more in the box.
Keep saying that.
Come on, where else are you going to find a video like this? You're not. Just throw it down.
Crud. And here you go.
Aww.
Remington Sporting Dogs
Aw.
calendar. Huh?
Look at that.
I'm going to give this to Amanda.
Yeah, we'll give that to Amanda. Look at that.
Right?
Aww.
Oh, look at those guys.
Oh
These
my
guys.
goodness.
Marty and Junie.
Marty and Junie. Yeah, right.
Yeah, right?
Jesus.
The calendar girls.
Aww. What's our dog for November?
November dog.
All right, pointers.
There you go.
Well done, Norma. Well done. So, what am I supposed to do with these rags, Norma? Do I send them back?
You're supposed to put them in the garage.
Okay. Well, we want to thank you, Norma, for sending us all these wonderful presents. And we'll see you in the next episode, everybody. Stay tuned for more crazy unboxings.